In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Docusign's API by setting up your very own developer account and creating an integration key. This allows you to harness the power of Docusign in your applications, making document signing simple and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit the Docusign Developer Center. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the website by typing in developers.docusign.com. Once you're there, you'll notice two main options on the screen: Sign in and Create Account. If you already have an account, simply click Sign in. If this is your first time here, go ahead and choose Create Account. Now, it's important to select the Developer, or Demo, account option. The reason for this is because a developer account is not only free, but it's also specifically designed to give you the necessary access to Docusign's APIs without any initial financial commitment. This will enable you to experiment and test functionalities at your own pace. Once you've successfully logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a menu accompanied by a gear icon labeled Preferences. Click on this to enter the Settings menu. Within the Preferences menu, focus your attention on the left-hand side where you'll see an option for Apps and Keys. This is your next destination. Navigating over to the Apps and Keys section opens up a world of possibilities for integrating Docusign with your application. Here, you'll want to create what is known as an integration key. This will serve as your API key, acting as a unique identifier that allows your application to interact with Docusign's platform. To get started, click on the button labeled Add App and Integration Key. You'll be prompted to enter information about the new app you're creating. Go ahead and enter a descriptive name that'll help you easily identify it later. Something along the lines of "My Google Doc Signer" could work perfectly. After you've filled out the app name, click the Create App button. It really is that simple to lay the groundwork for your API integration. After you've created the app, you'll find that everything you need is right at your fingertips. Your newly minted integration key, also known as your API key, will be prominently displayed. If you need to dive a little deeper into authentication options, you have the ability to configure redirect URIs, secret keys, and RSA keys. These are particularly useful if you're working with more advanced authentication methods such as JWT or authorization code. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've mastered the initial setup for using Docusign's API, opening the door to integrating digital signing capabilities into your own applications. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll explore how to make the most of these tools.